Hi rabbits, Research Turtle here. Welcome to 2025. We are living through a historic shift. In the industrial age, survival was about land, labor, and capital. Today, it's about compute power. This is the manifesto for digital sovereignty. Look at the landscape. For the last 2 years, big tech focused on training these massive models. But now we are entering the inference era. By 2026, 2/3 of all AI workloads will be inference, asking questions, generating code, and running agents. If you don't own the compute to do this, you are just renting your own intellect. Here is the reality. You have 2 choices. You can be a cloud tenant, suffering from privacy loss, censorship, API price hikes, and supply bottlenecks. Or you can become a home lab owner. That means digital sovereignty. You get complete control, asset ownership, 24/7 availability, and 0 censorship. It is time to stop renting and start owning. But to build this fortress, you need to understand the physics of survival, VRAM Economics. There's a performance cliff. If your model fits in your GPU memory, you get 100 tokens per second. If it overflows into your system RAM, you drop to 2 tokens per second. It's unusable. In 2025, VRAM isn't just a spec, it's your lifeline. So, what weapons do you need? Tier 1 is the flagship, the RTX 5090. With 32 gigabytes of GDDR7 memory, it dominates everything. Tier 2 is the workhorse, the RTX 4090. It's the standard for heavy inference. Tier 3 is the value king, 2 used RTX 3090s linked together. This gives you 48 gigabytes of VRAM for less than the price of 1 new flagship. It beats a single 4090 for running massive 70 billion parameter models. But what about when you're mobile? Enter the NPU. Chips like the Snapdragon X Elite are changing the game. They run local AI with 3.7 times better power efficiency than a CPU. This allows for always-on, offline agents that don't kill your battery. Hardware is just the body. Software is the brain. We represent the local stack. We ditch the cloud APIs for Ollama, the standard for local automation. We use open-source drivers and interfaces that give you a ChatGPT-like experience, but with 0 data leaving your premises. And we aren't just chatting anymore. We're building agents. Using tools like LangGraph and N8N, your local AI can access your calendar, write code, and execute workflows. This is true labor automation. The AI uses tools, not just text. This leads to the ultimate goal, a private knowledge base. Using RAG, Retrieval Augmented Generation, you can turn your documents into a vector store. You can even fine-tune models like Llama 3 on your own data using QLoRa right on your home GPUs. Your data never touches the internet. Now, you might be thinking, this hardware is expensive. That's where DePIN comes in, decentralized physical infrastructure networks. When you sleep, your GPU shouldn't. Rent it out to networks like IO.net or Render. Current analysis shows an RTX 4090 can earn between $2 to $5 a day. That's a payoff period of less than 2 years. Your fortress pays for itself. To run this long-term, you need operational discipline. Undervolt your cards. You can save 100 watts per card while maintaining 95% of the performance. Keep it cool, keep it quiet, and choose a robust OS like Casa OS or Proxmox. Finally, defense. A fortress needs a moat. Do not open ports to the internet. Use a secure tunnel like Tailscale to access your home lab remotely. Adopt a zero-trust mindset. Here is your roadmap to independence. Acquisition, secure the Silicon. Deployment, build the brain with Ollama and agents. Monetization, connect to DePIN. Defense, secure the perimeter. In a world of digital feudalism, your server is your only sovereign territory. The time to build is now. That's it for today. Turtle out.